Can you upgrade Acer C710, C720, or C730 Chromebooks? Let's cut to the chase. Officially, no. These Acer Chromebooks, released between 2012 and 2014, are largely considered end-of-life by Acer. Chrome OS updates are discontinued since around 2018-2020. While some limited storage upgrades are technically possible, RAM upgrades are not. This video will explain the realities of upgrading these older Chromebooks. Some C720 models feature replaceable mSATA SSDs, which can be upgraded to increase storage capacity. Upgrading involves removing the existing SSD and installing a higher capacity replacement. Ensure the new SSD matches specifications: SATA interface, 2.5-inch form factor, and 7mm height. Tools needed include screwdrivers for disassembly, thermal paste for heat management, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent static damage. Warning: DIY upgrades carry a high risk, with a 60 to 70% failure rate that can result in data loss or permanently damaged devices. Always research and follow guides specific to your C720 model before attempting any upgrades. The RAM in these Chromebooks, typically 2 GB or 4 GB DDR3L, is soldered directly onto the motherboard. This means upgrading requires desoldering the old chips and soldering new ones in their place. This process requires specialized equipment, like a hot air station, and advanced soldering skills to avoid damaging the delicate components. The risk of permanent damage is very high, as even minor mistakes can brick the device. It's generally not recommended unless you are an experienced hardware technician. Attempting upgrades on these older Chromebooks carries significant risks. First, you'll void any remaining warranty, even though these devices are quite old. Thermal throttling from overheating can reduce performance significantly, as shown in this illustration, where higher temperatures drop processing speed. Compatibility problems with Chrome OS updates or firmware can make the device unusable. User forums report frequent data loss or complete hardware failures during upgrades. Success rates are low, with 65% of DIY attempts failing within 6 months. The cost of parts and labor often exceeds the Chromebook's value, making upgrades impractical for most users. A growing trend in the Chromebook community is Frankenpad projects, where users use parts from multiple devices to create custom modifications. Tutorials for Acer C710, C720, C730 upgrades are gaining traction on platforms like GitHub and YouTube. These modifications often involve custom BIOS tweaks or alternative operating systems, allowing users to extend the life of their devices through creative combinations. Key steps include accessing community tutorials and performing advanced technical modifications. However, these projects are highly experimental and require advanced technical knowledge to avoid risks. Tech experts generally advise against upgrading these older Chromebooks. NN reviewers state, "Upgrading these Chromebooks is like reviving a fossil, possible but inefficient." Ars Technica warns of voiding security features, potentially exposing devices to vulnerabilities. Most recommend against it for general users, but professional services may be an option. Before attempting a risky upgrade, consider these alternatives that can extend the life of your Acer Chromebook without the challenges of hardware modifications. First, install lightweight Linux distributions like Ubuntu or Chrome OS Flex. These provide a fresh operating system with better performance for basic tasks, breathing new life into the old hardware without physical changes. Second, utilize cloud storage solutions. Services like Google Drive allow you to store files online, reducing the need for extensive local storage and making the limited space less of a constraint. Third, consider replacing the Chromebook with a newer, more powerful model. Modern devices offer significantly better performance, more storage, and longer support periods, making them far superior for contemporary computing needs. Remember, these older Acer Chromebooks are obsolete for modern tasks, with consistently slow performance that can't be fully overcome through upgrades alone. Final thoughts and disclaimer. Upgrading the Acer C710, C720, C730 Chromebooks is technically challenging, risky, and often not worthwhile. The soldered components and outdated hardware make modifications difficult and prone to failure. If you decide to proceed with an upgrade, do thorough research on compatible parts and methods, back up all your data to prevent loss, and fully understand the high potential for failure that could brick your device. Please note that we are not responsible for any damage to your device that may occur during attempted upgrades. Consider the environmental impact of e-waste. Improper disposal of old devices contributes to pollution and resource waste. Prioritize repair only when it makes practical and economic sense. Often, recycling or purchasing newer devices is more sustainable than risky modifications.